Hey everyone, welcome back to Nisha's Box. Hope you all are doing great. So Navaratri and Durga Pujo is just around the corner. So I have decided to create a look for Navaratri and Garba. So this look is very subtle and elegant for those who really don't want to look heavy on the Navaratri night. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So at first I'm gonna tuck my hair so that they don't disturb me while doing makeup. So before starting the makeup, I'm gonna rub some ice cubes on my skin. Ice cubes minimize the pores and create a flawless base for your makeup, and it also helps to keep your makeup long lasting. Now I'm applying a moisturizer on my skin, a very mild moisturizer. A very small amount of moisturizer is enough for oily skin people. As primer, I'm using this Modicare Urban Color primer, and I'm gonna apply it all over my face to create a wonderful base for my makeup. For color correcting, I'm using an old red lipstick of mine, and I'm gonna use my fingers to apply it all over my dark circles, and I'm gonna use it all over the dark patches or dark spots on my face like this. So as concealer, I'm using this Color Essence Pan Stick in the shade FS1. I'm going to apply it all over my under eye to conceal the color correcting part and all my dark patches and dark spots like this. And now I'm gonna blend it all with the help of a sponge blender. As my foundation, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade 322 Warm Honey, and this is one of the best drugstore foundation we have in India. I'm gonna apply it all over my face using my finger like this. Don't forget to apply foundation on your neck so it will look even in the photographs. So sprinkling some of the makeup fixing spray on the blender so that the blending process goes well and it keeps my makeup on place. And I'm gonna blend it very quickly so that the makeup doesn't look cakey. So to highlight my under eye area and the high end areas of my face, I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade medium moyan, and this concealer is perfect for my skin tone or medium to darker skin tone. To set my base, I'm using this Lakme Rose powder, and I'm gonna apply it all over my under eye areas where all the concealing is done, and I'm gonna leave it for some time. For my eyebrows, I'm using the APK gel eyeliner in the shade brown, and I'm gonna use this to define my eyebrows with the help of an angular brush and a mascara wand. As my eyeshadow, I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Wet n Wild, Rose in the Air, and I'm gonna use this nude shade to create a base for my eyeshadow. Applying this reddish shade from the outer corner to the inner corners like this. Blending it properly all over my crease. Now I'm gonna wet my eyeshadow brush to apply this golden color to the middle of my eyelids. So the eyeshadow part is done. Now it's time for some kajal. So for that I'm using L18 Kohal pencil, and I'm gonna apply it all over the lower lash line and the upper lash line as well. Now smudging it with a brown eyeshadow to give it a soft smoky look. As my eyeliner, I'm using this Blue Heaven eyeliner, which is waterproof, and I'm gonna do a small winged on my upper lash line like this. So both my eyes are done, and now I'm gonna dust off all the excess setting powder from my cheeks and gonna apply this Miss Clear blusher in the shade 35 on the apple of my cheeks to give it a subtle look. As my highlighter, I am using this Miss Clear Shimmer Bricks in the shade 07, and I'm gonna apply it all over my high-end areas like this. To define my brow bones, I'm gonna use this light shade highlighter and I'm gonna apply it like this. It will define your brow bones perfectly and it will look good in pictures. My lipstick, I'm using this Miss Clear's lip cream in the shade 42. At first I'm gonna line my lips using the perfect wand it has, and after that I'm gonna fill in the lips like this. Now applying this black small bindis to create the traditional Garba look like this. So time for some mascara. For that I'm using the Blue Heaven mascara. At first I'm gonna curl my lashes with the help of a curler, and then I'm going to apply the mascara. So the makeup look is done, and I'm gonna fix it with a fixing spray from Mars, and this is a very good fixing spray in a budget friendly price. So if you want a review on this, please let me know in the comment box below. So this is the complete Navaratri Garba look for you all. Hope you like it. If you did, please give it a big fat thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't done. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.